Go on, Greenie. You want mama? You want mama?
Oh, he's so cute.
You want mama?
I think you need to go a little bit. Here,
is it poking you? Oh, okay. Going out and playing with your sister? Look at, they're doing archery. See? They're doing archery.
Just go out regularly. When you do it, you have to do it harder, like all the way there. So
Maybe Kristen doesn't have energy.
I don't, well, like my arms aren't that long.
It's okay, you need practice. Oh, she got it. Good job. Right, Greenie?
Oh my God, you're so cute.
He is.
Oh, wait, here, let me pet you.
Say Masa.
Masa. The hay thing's working better than the paper.
Yeah. Masa, Greenie?
I'm pretending to pet him.
Oh,
Why was that so bad? Trini, look.
she got it, Trini.